Let's see how product teams can run AB experiments using Firebase Remote Config and dynamically control app UI using Digia without releasing a new app version. This is a simple e-commerce homepage showing banners, categories, and product listings. Right now, both users are seeing the same UI. We have created two offer components on Digia Studio. Inside Firebase Remote Config, we'll create a new parameter that controls which Digia component is rendered. This key will hold a JSON value that defines the component ID managed by Digia. In the default value, use the key component ID. Go to Digia Studio and copy the slug for the component ID. Click Save, and then click Publish Changes to publish the remote config. Now, let's run A/B tests on this parameter. Click Create Remote Config Experiment to start a new experiment. Enter any experiment name and then click Next. In the Targeting section, select your app, adjust the exposure slider based on what you want, and then review the experiment goals. In the Variants section, choose the parameter you created from the drop-down list. For the variant A, enter the JSON with component ID, and go to Digia Studio to copy the slug for the variant component and then click Review. Now, click Start Experiment. In your project, initialize Digia SDK using the project ID, and use the Digia UI Factory's load method with your remote config key. Now, build your app. When the app fetches remote config, it receives a different component ID depending on the experiment variant. As you can see, two users are now seeing two different homepage experiences, controlled entirely from Firebase and Digia. Even while the experiment is running, UI changes can be deployed instantly, without releasing a new app version. Let's go to Digia Studio, and add a text widget above the grid view. When the app restarts, the new design is visible. With Firebase Remote Config and Digia, teams can launch A/B experiments, dynamically render UI, and iterate instantly, without waiting for app releases.